In this video, we compare DJI Mini 3 Pro and HS600 4K camera drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The DJI Mini 3 Pro offers a stunning 4K video and 48 megapixel photo capability, capturing your world in remarkable detail, whether it's day or night. With a flight time of up to 34 minutes, the DJI Mini 3 Pro allows you to explore and capture more of your surroundings than ever before. Weighing less than 249 grams, the DJI Mini 3 Pro's compact and foldable design makes it perfect for any adventure and eliminates the need for registration in most regions. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is equipped with tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, offering unparalleled safety for a mini drone. Beyond its advanced camera system, the DJI Mini 3 Pro comes with an array of intelligent features like FocusTrack, true vertical shooting, MasterShots, Timelapse, and QuickTransfer, enhancing your creative options. Included with the DJI Mini 3 Pro is the new DJI RC, pre-installed with the DJI Fly App and featuring a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for clear viewing even in direct sunlight. The Holy Stone HS600 4K camera drone is equipped with a dual-axis gimbal and EIS stabilization that ensures rock-solid flight stability while capturing breathtaking 4K video and 12 megapixel stills. It boasts a 10,000 feet range transmission, thanks to its integrated Wi-Fi repeater transmission, allowing users to explore a wide variety of terrains and capture great photos. The HS600 drone has a remarkable flight time of 56 minutes, thanks to its dual battery setup, providing ample time for uninterrupted aerial filming. The drone also features a level 6 wind resistance, allowing it to withstand strong winds and ensuring unwavering stability during flight. The HS600 drone's GPS intelligent return-to-home function provides added security, enabling one-key return, lost signal return, and low battery return features. Finally, the HS600 drone is beginner-friendly with its follow mode and waypoint mode, making it easier for enthusiasts to transition into experts. The DJI Mini 3 Pro and the Holy Stone HS600 4K camera drone are both high-quality drones with unique features that make them stand out in their respective ways. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is lightweight and compact, making it ideal for adventurers and travelers. It also offers a flight time of up to 34 minutes with 4K video and 48 megapixel photo capability, along with features like FocusTrack, true vertical shooting, MasterShots, Timelapse, and QuickTransfer. On the other hand, the Holy Stone HS600 drone offers a longer flight time of 56 minutes due to its dual battery setup. It also boasts a 10,000 feet range transmission and a level 6 wind resistance, making it more suitable for long range and high wind conditions. While the DJI Mini 3 Pro offers tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0 for safety, the HS600 includes GPS intelligent return-to-home function for added security. Both drones are user-friendly, with the DJI Mini 3 Pro equipped with pre-installed DJI Fly App and the HS600 offering beginner-friendly modes. The choice between the two ultimately depends on the specific needs and preferences of the user.